Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. When I was still teaching at Xavier School in San Juan, I was really struck by its motto and school mantra. It says in Latin, Luceat Lux Nostra, or simply, Luceat Lux. Literally, it means, let our light shine. Let our light shine. You know, I personally believe that there could be two meanings or wisdom for this. First is that the school aims and hopes for students to unleash their potentials, tap their creativity, and even hone their innate skills and talents. Kasi the school affirms na bawat isa ay may kanya-kanyang uniqueness at abilities na dapat ipalabas, alagaan at palakasin upang mas maging buhay sa pagtulong sa ibang tao. Secondly, I also deeply believe that deep within our hearts, there is the light of God shining in us. God, in His great wisdom and kindness, instill in our hearts that spark of divine, waiting to be manifested to other people. To let our light shine also means to allow God to be revealed in our humanity. Yung hayaan natin na yung liwanag ng Diyos ay makita ng ibang tao sa ating buhay. It is because the Lord, who is indwelling in us, must always be shown to other people. Dear brothers and sisters, we heard in the gospel today, Jesus saying that a lamp is to be placed at a lampstand. It is not meant to be put under a bed or even to be hidden in some place far. Ang ilaw, hindi dapat itinatago. Dapat dyan ay inilalabas, ine-expose at pinapakita. At never naman siguro tayo nakakita ng ilaw na itinatago natin. It defeats the purpose or the nature and essence of a light. In other words, God, who is a God of light, must always be shown, revealed, and shared with other people. Kaya kung gumagawa po kayo ng mabuti para sa Diyos at malinis ang inyong hangarin, huwag niyong itago. Kung nais niyong magpakabuti at magpakabanal o magbagong buhay, ilabas po natin yan. Okay lang yan. Malay natin, maka-inspire pa tayo ng ibang tao dahil sa mga mabubuting bagay na iyon. Dear friends, always let your light shine. Basta para sa mabuti, okay yan. Basta para sa liwanag, tama yan. Basta para sa Diyos, ipagpatuloy yan. And so this might be our prayer for today. Luceat Lux Nostra. Let our light shine, O Lord. Amen.